Hello, I'm Amanda Howard, and today I have the privilege to introduce you to an extraordinary residence, 19 Lake Forest Boulevard here in Huntsville, Alabama. This is more than a luxury home. It's a refined lakeside retreat where architectural artistry, thoughtful design, and everyday livability come together in one unforgettable setting. From the moment you arrive, the presence of this European cottage-inspired home is undeniable. Situated on a curated home site in one of Huntsville's most desirable communities, the curb appeal is both timeless and inviting. Mature landscaping, elegant architectural lines, and its connection to the water immediately set the tone for what's inside. Something special, something elevated. As you step through the doors, you're welcomed by warmth and character that simply cannot be replicated. Reclaimed wood beams stretch high across the ceilings, adding texture and authenticity to the living spaces. The great room is anchored by a stone fireplace, creating a focal point that feels equally suited for intimate evenings at home or hosting friends and family. Each space flows effortlessly into the next while maintaining a sense of intention and refinement. The heart of this home is undoubtedly the kitchen, a space designed for gathering and gourmet performance. A dramatic 10-foot granite island offers generous room for preparation and conversation, making it the centerpiece for everyday living and elegant entertaining alike. Outfitted with top-tier Wolf appliances, a built-in coffee system, an incredible wet bar, and a spacious walk-in pantry, this kitchen is as functional as it is beautiful. Perhaps most captivating of all are the expansive windows and glass doors that frame serene lake views, bringing in the natural light and tranquility into every culinary moment. Throughout the home, you'll find 4 spacious bedrooms and 5 beautifully appointed bathrooms, each designed with comfort and privacy in mind. The primary suite is a true sanctuary, generously scaled, thoughtfully finished, and positioned to capture peaceful views. It's a space designed for rest, retreat, and renewal at the end of each day. 19 Lake Forest Boulevard is not just a place to live. It's a legacy property, one defined by craftsmanship, elevated finishes, and a setting that simply cannot be duplicated. If you would like a private tour or more information about this remarkable lakeside residence, we would be honored to connect with you. Click the link in the description or visit our website to schedule your private tour. I'm Amanda Howard, and I look forward to helping you make your next chapter extraordinary.